Ever wonder how incredible the animal kingdom can be, showcasing abilities that can put even our best superheroes to shame? Well, prepare to be astounded. Our world is home to a dazzling array of creatures, each with their own unique abilities that make them the marvels of nature. From the depths of the ocean to the highest mountain peaks, animals have evolved in remarkable ways to survive and thrive in their environments. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of these creatures, revealing 10 mind-blowing abilities that will leave you in awe. Each ability is a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. And just when you think you've seen it all, we'll share a bonus fact that will take your breath away. So, are you ready? Brace yourself for a thrilling journey into the heart of the animal kingdom. Prepare to have your mind blown as we dive into the extraordinary world of the animal kingdom. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have the Turritopsis dohrnii, or the immortal jellyfish. This humble creature holds a secret that has baffled scientists for years. You see, the Turritopsis dohrnii has the extraordinary ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew. It's like hitting the reset button on life. When faced with physical damage or even aging, this jellyfish transforms its cells to a younger state, grows into maturity, and can do it all over again indefinitely. Imagine being able to start over whenever you want, forever. This biological marvel essentially grants the Turritopsis dohrnii a form of immortality, a feat unparalleled in the animal kingdom. Although they can still succumb to disease or predation, in a perfect world, these jellyfish could technically live forever. So, next time you wish for immortality, remember, a jellyfish beat us to it. At number 9, we have the bats, the masters of echolocation. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is echolocation? Echolocation is a nifty little trick of nature that bats have mastered to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. Imagine being able to see with your ears. That's precisely what bats do. Bats emit high-frequency sounds that are inaudible to our human ears. These sounds bounce off objects around them and return as echoes. By interpreting these echoes, bats can create a sonic map of their surroundings. This allows them to navigate through the darkest caves and hunt down their prey with remarkable precision. They can detect objects as thin as a human hair, and even differentiate between edible insects and inedible ones. This ability is so fascinating that it has inspired technological advancements in our world, like sonar systems used in submarines. So who needs night vision goggles when you can echolocate? Number 8 on our list brings us the cuttlefish, the ultimate master of disguise. Now you might think you're good at hide and seek, but the cuttlefish puts us all to shame. It's not just a simple color change we're talking about here. This crafty cephalopod can imitate the texture and even the shape of its surroundings in the blink of an eye. Imagine this. You're a predator, cruising the ocean floor, and what you think is a harmless rock suddenly transforms into a cuttlefish, jetting off into the distance. That's right. Cuttlefish are so adept at camouflage that they can convincingly mimic the appearance of rocks, corals, and even other creatures. Their skin is covered in thousands of tiny pigment-filled sacs called chromatophores. When these sacs expand or contract, they create a dazzling display of colors and patterns. It's an incredible evolutionary trick that keeps these creatures safe from predators. Now that's what we call a true chameleon. Coming in at number 7, we have starfish and their extraordinary healing powers. Picture this, you're a starfish, just minding your own business, when suddenly, a predator comes along and nabs one of your arms. No problem, you think, I'll just grow a new one. That's right, starfish have the incredible ability to regenerate lost limbs, and it doesn't stop there. In some cases, an entire new starfish can grow from just a single severed arm. Now imagine if humans had that power. Lose a finger in a woodworking accident? No worries, just grow a new one. It's a fascinating and somewhat mind-boggling concept. This regenerative capability is due to the starfish's unique body structure and cellular makeup. Their bodies are filled with special cells that can differentiate into any type of cell required for regeneration. Who needs a first aid kit when you can simply grow a new limb? At number 6, we introduced the bar-headed goose, the world's highest flying bird. Now these aren't your average park-dwelling geese. These feathered aviators are known for their incredible feat of flying over the Himalayas, the tallest mountain range on the planet. Imagine that for a moment. These birds, with wingspans of up to 5.5 feet, conquer altitudes exceeding 29,000 feet, a height where even the most experienced mountaineers require oxygen tanks to breathe. It's a journey fraught with danger, battling not just the thinning air, but also the plummeting temperatures. Yet the bar-headed goose undertakes this perilous journey twice a year during its migration. Their secret? A supreme cardiovascular system and specially adapted blood cells that allow them to absorb oxygen more efficiently than any other bird. So, who needs an airplane when you can fly over the Himalayas? Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have the indestructible tardigrades. These tiny creatures, also known as water bears, are renowned for their remarkable resilience. They are virtually invincible, capable of surviving in some of the most extreme conditions imaginable. Imagine being able to endure the vacuum of outer space, where there's no oxygen, and the temperature can fluctuate between extremes in the blink of an eye. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But for tardigrades, it's just another day in the life. But it doesn't stop there. Tardigrades can also withstand pressure 6 times greater than what you'd find in the deepest ocean trenches. That's like having 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you and not even breaking a sweat. These pint-sized powerhouses are a true testament to the incredible adaptability of life, showing us that even the smallest creatures can hold the most extraordinary abilities. Surviving in space? Check. Now that's a superpower. Speeding into number 4, we have the cheetah, the fastest land animal. With a stride that can cover up to 23 feet in a single bound, it's no wonder this feline is the Usain Bolt of the animal kingdom. The cheetah's speed can reach an astonishing 60 to 70 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, the average car on a freeway travels at a mere 70 miles per hour. But it's not just about the top speed. What truly sets the cheetah apart is its remarkable acceleration. In just a few seconds, a cheetah can go from standing still to 60 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars, folks. This extraordinary ability is what allows the cheetah to catch its prey in the blink of an eye. So next time you're stuck in traffic, just imagine what it would be like to have the speed of a cheetah. Who needs a race car when you can run as fast as a cheetah? At number 3, we have the cone snail, a venomous creature with a unique hunting mechanism. Now don't let its slow pace fool you. This tiny terror of the sea carries a powerful weapon, a specialized venom that it uses to immobilize its prey instantly. Imagine this. You're a fish swimming along, minding your own business. Suddenly, you're hit with a harpoon-like tooth loaded with neurotoxic venom. Before you can even register what's happening, your muscles are paralyzed. That's the reality for the unfortunate victims of the cone snail. The venom, known as conotoxin, is so potent that it's considered to be one of the most deadly substances in the natural world. It's a complex cocktail of over 100 different toxins, each with a specific target in the nervous system of the prey. The cone snail's venom is not only fast-acting, but also incredibly precise. A slow-moving snail with a fast-acting venom, now that's a deadly combination. Our runner-up at number 2 is the electric eel, a creature with a shocking ability. Deep in the murky waters of the Amazon and Orinoco rivers, the electric eel lurks, a living embodiment of natural power. This creature, despite its name, isn't actually an eel, but a type of knife fish. What truly sets it apart, however, is its ability to generate a jolting electric shock. Just imagine a single electric eel can produce a staggering 600 volts of electricity. That's 5 times the power of a standard wall socket. They use this potent shock to stun their unsuspecting prey, rendering them helpless in the face of the eel's predatory prowess. As an added bonus, this electrical discharge is also a powerful deterrent against would-be predators. It's a remarkable feat of evolution, a creature that can create and wield electricity at will. If only we could harness this ability for ourselves. Who needs a power generator when you can produce your own electricity? And finally, at number 1, we have the mimic octopus, the ultimate impersonator of the sea. This cephalopod is not just a chameleon of the ocean, changing its color at will, but it takes mimicry to a whole new level. It can alter not only its hue, but also its shape and behavior to impersonate a plethora of other sea creatures. From mimicking the flatfish sliding along the seafloor to imitating the deadly sea snake, the mimic octopus is a true master of deception. It's even been observed copying the behavior of lionfish and stingrays, showcasing a repertoire of disguises that would make any secret agent green with envy. What's even more fascinating is that this octopus doesn't just mimic for fun, it's a survival strategy. By impersonating dangerous or unappetizing creatures, it avoids becoming a meal for predators. Being a master of disguise and impersonation, the mimic octopus truly deserves our top spot. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus fact for you. Argentine ants are known for their incredible ability to form super colonies. These are not your ordinary ant hills, mind you. We're talking about vast networks spanning thousands of miles with millions of interconnected nests. Each colony functions as a single entity, with ants working together in perfect harmony to ensure their survival. Just imagine millions of tiny architects building a sprawling metropolis beneath our feet. With such teamwork and unity, ants truly redefine the term "it takes a village." And that concludes our countdown of the top 10 mind-blowing animal abilities. From the unfathomable immortality of the jellyfish to the uncanny mimicry of the octopus, from the high-altitude exploits of the bar-headed goose to the tiny tardigrade's pressure resistance, we've explored a spectrum of extraordinary abilities that showcase the animal kingdom's astounding diversity and wonder. And let's not forget the bonus fact about the ant supercolonies. In the vast animal kingdom, the extraordinary is ordinary, and the unbelievable is simply fact. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring.